Hello and welcome to our informative channel. Today's video is about the role of vitamin D in the human body. Vitamin D is a crucial nutrient that plays several important roles in the human body. Here are some of its functions. Promotes calcium absorption. Vitamin D helps in the absorption of calcium and phosphorus from the small intestine, which is essential for bone health and strength. It also helps in the regulation of calcium levels in the blood. Supports bone health. Vitamin D helps in the formation and maintenance of strong and healthy bones. It prevents conditions like rickets in children and osteoporosis in adults. Regulates immune system. Vitamin D plays a role in the regulation of the immune system, helping to prevent infections and reducing the risk of autoimmune diseases. Reduces inflammation. Vitamin D has anti-inflammatory properties, which may help to reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. Supports mental health. Vitamin D is important for brain function and may play a role in reducing the risk of depression and other mental health conditions. Regulates insulin levels. Vitamin D may help to regulate insulin levels and improve insulin sensitivity, which is important for preventing and managing diabetes. Supports muscle function. Vitamin D helps to maintain muscle strength and function, which is important for overall mobility and quality of life. It's important to note that vitamin D is a fat-soluble vitamin, which means it can accumulate in the body and become toxic in high doses. It's important to follow recommended daily intake guidelines and speak with a healthcare professional before taking vitamin D supplements. Now let's see what foods contain vitamin D. Vitamin D can be obtained from a few dietary sources, but the main source of vitamin D is exposure to sunlight. When the skin is exposed to sunlight, it produces vitamin D3, which is then converted to the active form of vitamin D by the liver and kidneys. However, some foods do contain vitamin D, including fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, and tuna are good sources of vitamin D. Egg yolks. Egg yolks are another good source of vitamin D. Fortified foods. Many foods, such as milk, orange juice, and breakfast cereals, are fortified with vitamin D. Check the labels of these products to see how much vitamin D they contain. It's important to note that most foods do not naturally contain high amounts of vitamin D, so it can be difficult to obtain adequate amounts from diet alone. If you're concerned about your vitamin D levels, talk to your healthcare provider about getting tested and whether or not supplementation may be necessary. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.